Hello guys, welcome to the C programming tutorial. In today's lecture we will study about the bitwise operator. As the name suggests, bitwise operators are those operators that perform operations at the bit level. These operators include bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT and shift operator. The bitwise operator expect their operands to be integer and treat them as a sequence of bits. Let us understand the symbol of each bitwise operator. The symbol of AND is single AND operator, and symbol of OR is single vertical line, and XOR is this symbol. Bitwise NOT is in complement form, and shift operator double greater than या smaller than sign. This is shift operator symbol. Now we will see what is bitwise operator. Same as logical AND operator, bitwise operator works. Suppose we have two input A, B, and 1 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. And what will be the result in AND operator? The result will first for 0, sorry, there will be, we have 0. Now it's fine. And for second this will be 0, for third it will be 0 and 1. What if we have any number as 0, then for AND operator we will have value 0, and for same for OR operator, this is for AND operator, and same for OR operator. If any value is 1, then our result will 1. For this all three value, our result will be 1. Now we will see how the bitwise AND and OR operator can be work on any integer value. Let us see this. Suppose any number A and B. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to also 5. And I want to calculate the value of y, and write here A AND operator y, sorry, B. Then how this will work? This is a bitwise operator, so first of all we will convert 5 into bits. So what is the value of 5 in bits? 0 1 0 1. And also convert B into bits, so the value of 5 will once again in bits is 0 1 0 1. Now we will perform this operation, AND operator operation on this. So what will be result? 1 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1, and 0 0 is 0, as we seen from the chart, from the table we made just few times ago. And here what will be the value? The value will be 5. So if you will print this value, then result will be 5. And suppose for the OR, what will happen? 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So also for OR we have value 5. So for both AND and OR we will have same value, that is 5. And this is not same as the mathematical operation. If this will be a mathematical add or multiple operation, then our value will be different. Now we will see bitwise XOR operator. Bitwise XOR operator is same but have some, suppose we have x and y is input and z is output. It is same as we have studied in STSLD. We will study further in our electronics. Suppose we have two unit 0 0 0 1, combinations may be 1 0 and 1 1. According to XOR operation, we have, if the both the bits are same, then the value will always be 0. If the both bits are not same, the value will be 1. Here 1 and here value will be 0. This is the table for bitwise XOR operation. Now we will see an example. Same example, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 5, and perform bitwise operation, bitwise XOR operation, and symbol will be this A and B. Now we convert 5 and 5 in bits. The value will be 0 1 0 and 1, and put here 1 0. So this is 2 bits number 1 0 1 0 and 1, and we have seen that if the both value are same, then our result will be 0 in XOR operation. So our result will be overall 0. Then if we will perform this in programming, then we will get value 0. And remember, in our output we will always find the value in decimal form, not in bitwise form. This is the XOR operation. And bitwise NOT. Bitwise NOT is that it just flips the value of 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. Suppose we have value 0, then it will flip it to 1, and if we have value 1, then it will flip to 0. These operations are for bitwise NOT. Now shift operator, we will see it in detail. What about shifting operator is just reverse change the position of bits. Suppose we have a number 7, then what will be its bitwise representation? This will be representation of numbers decimal value 7 into bits, and extend it to 8. See, in shift operator we have two types of operator. First is left operator and second is right shift operator and left shift operator. So in right shift operator, the bits at rightmost part shifted to the leftmost part, and in the left shift operator, bits at leftmost part is shifted to the rightmost part, and the symbol of left shift operator is this. This is for left shift operator, and this symbol is for right shift operator. Now we will convert this into, suppose we will perform a right shift operator on this value, then what will be our result? This value is occupied by this, so this will transfer to that position, and all this value will be shifted 1 bits right. So the value will be 0 0 0, once more 0 0 and 1 and 1. This will be our result when we will shift the value in right side. So guys, these are the 5 bitwise operator which we will use while programming in C. So guys, thank you for watching this video. and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.